We're so far away, no one can hear a thing.
You want to come sit here?
Are you recording?
I'm recording!
You're recording.
Oh my god, I'm recording, Kenny, shut up!
Okay. Seems legit.
Just so you know, that was me. That I just let the world know. It's totally going on Facebook. You're not funny, Kenny.
Don't tell me what to do.
I'm not telling you what to do, I'm telling you that you're not funny.
Okay. Mule ran away one fireworks night.
I think you're
Came
funny.
back like smelled like a mule. This is not your fight. I think you're funny.
No one likes you either, Toast.
Fine, Johnny.
Probably didn't even see you in that video.
Yeah, you probably can't even see my face.
Yeah, I can only see the fireworks.
You said tag me.
I'm gonna
Aren't
tag you.
they beautiful?
I was gonna tag Terry Atkinson in it.
Terry Atkinson.
In this video I'm putting on Facebook.
You can tag Mr. Apollo too.
No, that's okay.
But I'm not friends with you on Facebook, Mr. Paul.
You're gonna be friends with me on Facebook?
Yeah, well, I need to know your first name because then I have to friend you.
Carolyn.
Carolyn DePaulo.
Oh, Carolyn DePaulo. Here, come on. You're gonna friend my mom on Facebook, Johnny? Oh, that's okay.
Totes. So are you saying you would deny me if I friended you on Facebook?
No, I would not. Of course I would be your friend on Facebook. I don't want to be tagged on Facebook. This is what I'm saying.
But I was with you, so then I'd be lying. My mommy told me not to lie.
Well, you should post the video after, like before you're friends with her, because then you wouldn't.
I could friend her right now if I wanted to.
But I couldn't accept because I'm here.
Yeah, but I can't put the video on.
No, I don't carry the Facebook device.
Yeah, these fireworks would be so much better if we were closer, so it didn't like explode then make the bang.
It would also be better if I didn't keep getting shot.
Well, no, that's actually the best part.
Oh, okay.
Don't you agree?
What?
That the best part of this is that Kenny's pretending to get shot. Because it just like makes all my dreams come true.
Oh.
Can I have all the money in your wallet?
Can I beat you up?
After I have all the money in your wallet.
But then I can take back the money.
Sure, because I don't have a wallet.
I have a wallet.
Dang it, Johnny.
Yeah, see,
Can I
this is
have-
my wallet world. Ah.
He has a man purse.
Okay, that was a sexy man person, you know it.
It's called a satchel. Indiana Jones has one.
No, it's a man purse.
Same thing.
Doesn't matter, because I look more fabulous than any of you.
Look, a cupcake was in this.
Tagging a cupcake in this video, of course, was with Cupcake. And then I'm gonna shine some light in your face so we can see your face. Shine some light in your face so we can see you.
Hey!
There we go.
That's kind of intrusive.
Can I see who's messaging you?
No, you can't.
He has a new message. Oh, I didn't get to read it.
Oh!
Johnny, you're not funny.
I think you need to get a life, Kenny.
Oh, I'll have to have this amputated.
No, you're terrible. You're not a good actor.
You know what?
You won't make it in the big time like I will.
Johnny's a dancer, so...
Yeah.
He's fabulous.
Fabulous.
My dog is scared
That was an advertisement.
from the fireworks.
Kenny's narrations of the fireworks.
We should get Morgan Freeman to narrate this.
Yes! Just like on some geeky science show I watched once.
Or like that one about the penguins.
No, it was about like the Higgs or whatever. What'd they find it with? A stick of licorice? Something like that?
What?
I don't know.
You totally lost me.
You know the Higgs thing?
No.
Particle? I don't know. Something important. I don't remember what it is.
Can you see it through your camera? Is it picking it up?
Yes.
That looks like a grapefruit.
She was down on the floor,
Ooh.
Ah!
and then she was getting anxious and we have to go because it's the big fireworks.
Ah. Oh my god. Oh my god.
That was a brodacious firework.
Dude, we totally got Armando awesome skateboard and order a brodacious pizza.
Tubular idea, Johnny.
Radical bro.
Man, that was cool, man.
Maybe one day.
No, dude. It's not brodacious.
Well, it wasn't.
Oh man, that one was totally hanging 10, man.
Yeah, dude.
Damn, that looks like a mango.
Oh my god, dude. That was far out.
Dude. And that looks like a banana tree, man.
Oh my god, it's a platypus.
Yeah, man, that looks like a... No, I think that might be an antelope, man.
No, that's definitely a mongoose.
Oh no, that's a cow, man.
That's like, I don't even know what that is, man. What the hell is that supposed to
Is
be?
that like an octopus, man?
I think that's a turtle. It's a turtle. It's
Yeah.
totally a turtle, dude.
I like turtles.
I like trains.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
That looked like a
trains.
sheep. I think that one was an airport.
That was a raptor. Ooh, they're setting up 2 at 1, no, 3 at
No,
once.
it's a 3.
Holy poop.
That was brodacious,
That was an
man.
appropriate comment.
I think you need to be silent, woman. Go make me a sandwich.
Make me one too.
Oh, jeez.
Lots of mayonnaise.
And honey mustard.
Johnny, you're getting in trouble. I'm not going to be a Facebook friend if you're talking like that.
Mr. Paul, please. We could have been close friends on Facebook.
Roll.
Oh, women's roll. Oh, really?
To Sarah.
You didn't get that from
I started
Wait,
it
look.
earlier. I told him to go make me a sandwich.
Look,
it's
show
like a
show
running
show the
thing.
audience Luca
It's an
how
inside
cute
joke.
she is.
Not really.
Well, for as like
I just have no respect for women whatsoever, of course. Because I'm just such a terrible person.
which is just a public thing.
Yeah.
That's racist. Oh,
I find that both insulting and manipulative. Shining light, shining light.
yo, sorry.
There's something you should know.
What is it, yo, sorry?
I came
What?
to the city
Oh,
to give you a message.
what is it?
Card games on fireworks.
Card games on fireworks.
Yeah, it's really not gonna work, is it?
Yeah, we might get burned.
Nah, Michael
There's a
Kelso.
plane. It's gonna get hit.
Oh no.
Oh, don't die, plane, don't die, plane.
I think it's
Fireworks
Kaiba.
zone. This is dangerous.
Whoa, daddy.
How do you know that's not a dragon?
I don't know. Maybe the dragon's gonna get hurt.
The blinking light is the fire.
Of the dragon?
No.
No.
Remember that girl who used to believe in dragons that I told you about?
What?
See, we had this girl in our school, she believed in dragons.
And what did you believe these dragons did?
She believed that they were spirits,
They were
from what she told me.
Dragon. Okay.
Dragon spirits, yeah. And we just couldn't see them because they were spirits.
So they were spirits, but they were dragon spirits.
Yeah.
Did she see them?
Yes.
Oh no, I'm concerned.
She said they were her friends.
Oh.
Oh, that's sweet.
That's kind of sad.
Yeah, but then she was into one of my friends and then just kind of became strange.
Kind of became strange.
Was he surrounded by a dragon spirit of the ancient Nordic temple?
No.
Because I could see how she would like it if that happened.
He was just a really nice guy.
Oh.
He wasn't a dragon?
No.
Did he see the
You
dragon?
know this person, Kenny.
Oh, is it the web?
Yes. The web indeed. Z-webs. Ah. So the bad thing with this phone cover is that it constantly covers my camera
Ha.
if I don't hold it back.
Bad video quality.
Video quality is fine, thank you.
Oh, okay.
Oh, 9/11.
That's not funny.
I know it's not funny, I'm just saying that's the time that I just saw on my camera and how long I've been
that was
taping.
cool, man.
I've almost been taping this for like 10 minutes, this is awesome.
The people below there must be
you
on
can't post videos on Facebook that are over like a certain amount of time.
true, because then people
As long
will be
as
like, oh
it's
my God.
done in
No,
15
no.
minutes or less.
15 minutes or less.
Yes, that's the YouTube video time limit.
Really?
Don't you remember in that video there's like, we must do this dirty deed in 15 minutes or less. Why? Is something going to happen after that? No, that's just YouTube's video time limit.
Oh.
I'm so
Yeah,
excited.
me and Toby couldn't post our Spanish video on YouTube because it was 20 minutes.
How could you have a 20-minute Spanish video?
We were cooking. It was our cooking show.
Whoa, that
Whoa.
looked like a sombrero.
Did you see that,
I
people
thought
of
it
the
was
world?
a dinosaur.
D-I-N-O.
D-I-N-O-S-A. You are a dinosaur. D-I-N-O-S-A.
No,
A
then you
dinosaur.
go.
Then you go O-L-D-M-A-n.
You're just an
And
old man.
you say on me what? You need a casket. America, America.
Americans.
God shed His grace on thee.
Remember your
And
obsession
you
with
talking about Americans?
Americans?
America.
Americans.
God.
See back there?
I'm videotaping this whole thing.
Fenton!
Not in the way.
Fenton!
Oh, Jesus Christ, Fenton!
He is the best dog ever.
3 at a time.
Chocolate!
Chocolates? You say chocolates?
No, I said spaghetti.
Chocolates. I remember when they first invented chocolates.
Sweet,
sweet chocolates.
I
I
always
hated it. This chocolate isn't for eating. You rub it on your skin and it makes you live forever. Live forever, you say? Okay, I'll take 3. A smiley face!
Everybody got that.
I hate you.
Hey, stop running me down with that chocolate! I hate you.
No, I didn't see that. I think it was like.
It was a smiley face.
The audience saw it.
Pterodactyls.
know what. What is it, Luca?
It's a fire.
It's not fire, it's fireworks, Luca.
We have to sit.
Yeah.
We have to sit.
It's the most adorable little girl on the planet. Just thought I'd let you know. This is Luca. Yeah. She's adorable. Oh, sunflower.
Oh,
I'm
look at his hair.
I don't get how.
I don't know, but its hair is beautiful. Ooh.
Don't tell me what to do, Mom. Okay.
Jack, look out.
Crow, look out.
Wario, look out.
I'm gonna win.
I have you now, protagonists. Ha ha ha. Oh, that was a cool one. Well, another smiley face.
Did you see that, Sarah?
Kind of a fail.
No,
but-
no, that was a pterodactyl. I don't know what you guys are talking about.
That's a flower. That's
No,
I like flowers.
that was a cactus.
That was a triceratops.
No,
Now,
that was a
son,
cactus.
don't touch that cactus.
Ooh.
You're dead to
It
me.
may have been a tortellini.
That may have been a cactus as well.
Your mother's a cactus.
She is.
Yeah, she just told me.
speculation. It's like something else.
That just happened.
Oh, it's a star.
A star on top will complete all the genie. Have you seen that?
No. Well, I see like 3.
Who did it?
Whoa, what? That is
I
so
thought it
weird.
was-
That
gonna be
looks like
purple.
some dude with dreadlocks.
Dude, that's like Gannon Fraser right there. Oh, I hope he doesn't see this video.
Oh yeah, I think they must.
This video is almost over 15 minutes anyway. It's like 13 and a half right now.
Why don't you just stop recording and make a second half?
I know last
I can edit it. Final Cut Pro.
No. Just stop.
At 14:59, I will.
Okay.
And then
Really?
they
We just have fireworks.
It's
On
a
Maybe like
fire.
fireworks part 2.
Yeah.
That's fire.
We gotta stop right now,
The
actually.
fireworks.